Alright, let's get this video started. Alright, hey yo guys, what's good? It's your boy Lance here, and today we're doing an unboxing today. Because you know what I got? I got this. It's the new Samsung Galaxy Note9. Alright, let's get with the unboxing real quick. Alright. Got it. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it. Alright. Look at this. Opening it up. Samsung Galaxy Note9 right here. Alright. Boom. Right out of the gate, you get the phone itself. Look at that. It's something. Oh, I got some fingerprints on it. Alright. Yo, look at that. It's a pretty solid phone, bro. Like, look at that. Fingerprint scanner right there, and above that the camera, of course, and your boy home button right there on the bottom, power button on the side, of course. You know what, it's gotta be like, yeah. Oh shoot, that's my lock screen. Okay, get that going. All right. Oh, there's my home screen. All right. Jeez. Looking pretty good, man. Look at that. Like, look at that quality, bro. Whoa. Oh, that's... Alright. Well, you know what? Samsung Galaxy Note9. Ooh, with the included stylus. Yeah, look at that. Boom, the stylus, bro. Works pretty well with it. You can take it out, I guess. Sure, look at that. Hey, I don't know what I'm scribbling, but okay. Looks pretty good, bro. Alright. Cool. It's got 128 gigabytes in it. Pretty good. Takes pretty good quality photos. Yeah. That's all I got. The display quality is pretty good. I don't know. I've only owned an iPhone SE like for the past 2-3 years, so this is cool. All right, if you liked this video unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note9, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, like the video, and ding that little bell right there, right next to the subscribe button where you subscribed. Yeah. Alright. Peace out.